In this video, we're gonna be showcasing how you can use CubiCasa to get quick and accurate floor plans of your properties. We're gonna be shooting an average size home and show you how you can easily create a free 2D floor plan in under 5 minutes, and also showcase all the really cool 3D products that CubiCasa offers as add-ons. So let's get into it right now. So the concept of how to get started is super simple. The whole process is honestly ridiculously simple. All you have to do is download the app, hit scan a property, input the address if it doesn't automatically already pin where you are, and then after that, you're ready to get started. But here's some general notes from now doing this a few times to get the best results. The whole concept of this is simply just scanning the floor, the baseboards. So you're gonna go around the whole property, scanning the baseboards. So all you have to do is keep the focus on the floor, avoid fast movements, just make sure everything scans nice and smooth. You don't have to scan the ceilings or anything like that, and just avoid scanning the area multiple times. But that's pretty much it. Just follow the perimeter of your property and you're gonna be good to go. So let's get started. So another thing you wanna do before getting started is make sure your home is totally ready. In this case, turning on all the lights in the home. I love the look of the lights off. You know, I think it makes the home look a lot cleaner, a lot sleeker, but luckily we have daylight bulbs in here. Beside the point, we're not shooting photos, we're not shooting video, we're just doing the floor plan. So you wanna turn on all the lights, open all the doors. You don't wanna be opening doors while you're walking, and have all the lights on and have your property fully ready, and you're gonna get a really good solid scan with no issues at all. Okay, so let's get started. You also don't wanna get too close. You wanna stay 6 to 8 feet away. So here's the entry. Here's the living room, scanning just towards the floor, baseboards of it. Here's the dining room. I don't know about this space. This is a dog's room. Wonder if this will come up in the scan. Going down the main hallway, going into the first room. You can see it's telling me too close, so I don't need to like step away. And I'm just gonna back out of the room. Secondary bedroom, bathroom, another secondary bedroom. Going into the kitchen, breakfast area, laundry room. Can't really get back there. And then going upstairs, upstairs game room, upstairs bathroom, and upstairs bedroom. And that's it. Okay, so I just finished my scan, and based on how long the video clip of me recording that was, it was only 3 minutes and 25 seconds. So I was taking the floor scan and holding my camera, getting that behind the scenes, and even doing that, being extra careful for this average sized home, only took 3 minutes and 25 seconds, with an upstairs room as well. So you can see you can do it really quick. Just go around the whole property, scan it, and you're done. Now before sending it off, you can choose to just get the free 2D floor plan like this, how it previews it here, or you can also choose to do the add-ons as well. You can do fixed furniture for $15, the GLA report for $15, or a faster 6-hour turnaround at $15, or my personal favorite, the 3D products, which are honestly mind-blowing. You can do a 3D floor plan, a 3D video render, which is crazy, or get the entire 3D marketing bundle, which is the best bang for your buck at $150 instead of if you do all of those individually, which would have been $194. So in the 3D marketing bundle, you get the 3D floor plan with furniture, with colors and textures, and a 3D video render. And the other properties that I've tried this at, it's crazy. I don't even know how that works, but it looks so good. So we're gonna go ahead and add that to the order, preview order. So now everything that we're gonna be ordering is the 2D floor plan, which is free if that's all we were gonna be ordering, with fixed furniture. So unfortunately, this property is vacant, but I will be showcasing, and the 3D marketing bundle, which is the 3D floor plan and the 3D video render, which blows my mind how that's made. Honestly, it's really crazy. And we're just gonna place the order. So all you have to do is just wait for this to upload, and then that's pretty much it. So that is pretty much it. That is the whole shooting process using CubiCasa's app. I just can't believe how easy it is, and the products that come from that one property scan. So as you can see, all we had to do was download the app, put in some details, scan the entire perimeter of the property, aiming at the baseboards and simply calling out what room we're in, and that's it. And after that, CubiCasa does the rest to give you the floor plan and anything else that you ordered. So here is where it gets really interesting, especially for us real estate photographers, videographers. This is a new add-on that virtually can cost you nothing, but can be a paid service, a paid add-on for you. So let's say that you charge $200 for your real estate photography. Maybe you charge $225 now by bundling a floor plan with that, or maybe you offer it as an add-on for $25, $50, whatever it is. You don't have to feel bad the fact that it's free for us, because we're the ones doing the work and having to just just be in charge of it. And for example, let's say you wanted to add the 3D products as an add-on as well. It costs us 150 bucks, maybe you charge 250 for that or 300 for that, whatever you think that is worth. So this opens up a whole nother opportunity for us to make more money, add a new service, and take even better care of our agents and their listing as well. Because obviously photos do a big part in showcasing the home, but sometimes it's still really hard to get the idea of that layout. So that's where videos come in, virtual tours. But this simple floor plan could do the job by just taking the few extra minutes after you're done shooting and scan the property and do as an add-on. Now we're getting into that fun time of the year where it's all about sky replacements and green grass replacements because it's just gonna be all stormy, but I'm excited for better weather.
Okay, so now all the products are back. It's been a couple of days. I do want to mention that the free 2D floor plan did come back later that evening, so it only took 6 hours or so. And now, 2 to 3 business days, the 3D products are here and I'm excited to check them out. So to get to your account and where all your stuff's gonna live at, it's just CubiCasa, so really easy to remember. Then you just create an account and here you can see all of your properties. And so you can see I've already done a couple and the recent one we did was this one. And here we have everything. So we have the floor plan previews, really awesome, with dimensions, without dimensions, and then the 3D products. So here we have the 3D floor plan with generated furniture. That is insane. So not only is it a 3D floor plan of the listing, but it populated virtual furniture to give you an idea of what the actual layout would look like. Here we have like the living space, the entryway, the dining room, the kitchen, a little breakfast. Oh man, that's just crazy. The master bedroom, bedroom 1, 2, that's insane. That's such a really unique perspective. But obviously the 2D floor plan is really beneficial because you can understand the layout of the photos on the listing, but this is next level. And then of course floor 2, where we can see that it had a little upstairs living area with another bedroom. Dang, that's so cool. That's such a unique perspective, and the fact that you can now offer that from that 5-minute scan is insane to me. And then we can also see the 3D video render. So this blows my mind. Not only is it a 3D video render, but it has the virtual furniture in there as well, because if you remember, this was a vacant property. So let me go back to that. Like even like the nice light coming in and everything on the side, you get this virtual video interactive tour of what the property would look like if it was furnished. Is honestly really insane. So we have the living room, the dining area, then we jump into the kitchen, and that's just insane. I don't really even know how this stuff is made, but that's a really cool product for a couple of reasons. One, if you have no video experience, now you can produce something like this and offer it to your clients as an add-on to whatever you're doing already. So say like your regular real estate photography. Second, if you're dealing with a vacant house like this, now you can have a furnished virtual high quality video of it, which is insane. And third, if you have a cluttered home, you could also do this as well to showcase it so it doesn't look really cluttered and not as presentable. So that's really awesome. And then also you could even take this a step further now that you have the video file itself, cut it up to a shorter video just showing the angles you want to show and make it look like if it was like, you know, professionally done video. So that's pretty insane. I'm just really mind blown by the attention to detail to this. It's crazy, especially the fact that all this was made again from that 5-minute scan. That's what I keep coming back to. The fact that all of these products, floor plan, the 3D floor plan, the measurements, now the 3D video render is all from just scanning the baseboards of the entire property, which again took no time. So that's just mind blowing. That's all I gotta say. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So that is a full-on walkthrough and workflow using CubiCasa. What you need to get started, the shooting process, and the final results, which again, in my opinion, are honestly incredible for the amount of time and effort it takes. Just takes 5 minutes or so to scan an average size property, so a little bit more than that for bigger ones, probably less than that for even a smaller property, and the results that you get are pretty crazy. And the biggest thing is that's just a whole nother add-on that you can now offer to your clients, which can now add more to what you offer. So overall, incredibly easy to get started with no extra equipment, just your phone and typically an extra 5 minutes added on to your shoot. Now having the ability to max out your shoot with more products from a simple scan with the floor plans in your pocket. So if you aren't using CubiCasa already, you're basically missing out on the opportunity to provide more to your clients with basically no extra cost to you. So now you can download the CubiCasa app, start with a free 2D floor plan, and choose the add-ons you need with no subscription or hosting involved at all. So sign up and create an account so you're ready whenever your next realtor asks you for a floor plan, or you have a vacant or cluttered home that needs a clean video render. Plus, when you're ready to include a floor plan on every listing you do, join the CubiCasa Preferred Photographer program to get a free 3D bundle as one of the included benefits so you can market these amazing products and upsell your clients. So leave a like if you enjoyed, comment down your thoughts, subscribe if you haven't already. I would love for you guys to be part of the channel. And thanks again to CubiCasa for sponsoring this video. See you later.